Hi there, welcome to Tuesday's market commentary. Taking a look at the overall markets with the Dow today up 270, Nasdaq up 51, S&P up 32. Pretty good sized bounce, but that's all it really was just a bounce within our downtrend since we had such heavy selling on Monday. So what do we expect for Wednesday? I'm looking for maybe a little bit more of a negative side market for the rest of the week here. If we look at our overall trend, we can easily see the overall trend is still down, so we're still bearish long term. However, going short term, we've got support down here at about 741, and we'll call this right up through here as our resistance level. Just about 930, 925 or so below this 941. So we're still bearish overall. We've got resistance right up here around 930, support down here at 741, and it looks like our MACD histograms, it's a little too early to tell, but it looks like they might be dropping here for the last couple of days. MACD's lines moving up here, histograms dropping, so we got a little bit of divergence between the two. So we're going to go short term bearish to neutral. I'm expecting the markets to maybe pull back a little bit more between now and the rest of the week because Monday was such a heavy selling day. Tuesday maybe was more of just an oversold bounce than anything else. So we're going to go long term bearish, short term bearish to neutral, trading between 742 and about 930 for support and resistance on the SPX. All right, let's take a look at the NASDAQ and see what that's telling us. And here's our chart of the NASDAQ. Easily defined support down here at the lows from last week at 1295. We'll call resistance up here pretty close to where we're at right now with the lows back in here mid-October, coming through here in November, and highs right here just recently at 1545. So we've got 1295 to 1545 is the trading range on the NASDAQ with the MACD histograms. Again, look like they're dropping. MACD lines like they're heading up, so we've got a divergence over there. We're going to call it longer term. We're still in a downtrend. And really until we pop back up above this 1545 level, I'm going to be a little more bearish to neutral on the NASDAQ as well. So until we move above 1545, then I'll go more of a neutral on the NASDAQ. But until that happens, we're still short-term downtrend. So we'll go bearish to neutral on the NASDAQ short-term, longer-term bearish with current support levels 1295 and resistance levels 1545. Hope that helps. Keep an eye on news. News does have a tendency to change everything, and we're still got some stocks coming out with some earnings, so keep an eye on that. Best wishes.